Now that we've created a new client, Matthew John Lyon, let's take a look at the Info tab. Now, within the Info tab, we have individuals, entities, applications, wealth and protect, and advice. Individuals show the individual clients who are mapped to Matthew. So you have Matthew himself, which if you expand the line item, you can see the details that were put in when the client was created. You can add details within here. You can perform ID checks, add likes and dislikes, health details, whether they're a sophisticated investor, beneficiaries, and even documents. You've also got Matthew's wife, Jane, who was mapped when we originally created the client. Jane can be detached if you wish, but by having them mapped together, all their information is shared within the two profiles. If you wanted to map another related client so everyone can see each other, say for instance, his business partner, Matthew McBride, you can simply type it in, find the client and click Save. And now Matthew has been mapped as well. Within entities, what we have is each individual client who's created in the software is created as a client entity individual type as well. Every single entity type is available within the software and you can create them. They're all given their own unique entity ID. So in this case, Matthew and Jane were created. They were also provisioned an individual entity type ID. Again, you can find within your software different entity types and map them to Matthew Lyon. For instance, a company that he's just bought into that's owned by another software user, a joint or partnership that he joins, for instance. So under applications, this is where Matthew Lyon can apply for providers that we have available within the software. For instance, iUniverse, our software cash account, stockbrokers like AussieX. There's a list of them in here and a different video will be done on that. Under Wealth and Protect, this is where you can actually proceed to add in wealth accounts such as cash, stocks, property, also liabilities, so on and so forth. You also have the ability to add protection items like life insurance and general insurance. I'll do separate videos in detail on that. And then you have advice. This is where you can enter in fact find details, goals and strategies, the advice, and even do compliance. So I'll proceed to do separate videos on each of these.